All right, this shows us how to, or this problem involves combining radicals. And combining radicals is just like combining like terms. Like if you had 8x plus 4x, you would just add the 4, the 8 and the 4, that gives you 12, and the x just kind of goes along for the ride. You got 8x's here, you got 4x's there, so you got 12x's all together. You're going to do the exact same thing with radicals. If I have 8 square roots of 13 plus 4 square roots of 13, you're just going to add the 8 and the 4, which would be 12, and you'll still have the square root of 13, just like you had the x. I call it combining like radicals. If I had 8 square roots of 2 plus 4 square roots of 5, then what I have is 8 square roots of 2 plus 4 square roots of 5. Just like if you had 8x plus 4y, those are not like terms. Your answer is still 8x plus 4y. You cannot combine them. Now, so the answer to this problem is 12 square roots of 13. Technically, it's 12 times the square root of 13, but I just like to shortcut it and say 12 square roots of 13, just like I'd say 12x. Now, this problem, they gave me the radicals. They were already like radicals. So another example, let's say I gave you 7 square roots of 5 plus 12 square roots of 5. Just add the 7 and the 12. That would be 19 square roots of 5. And you're done. If you had, maybe they throw in some negative numbers. How about negative 3 square roots of 2 plus 8 square roots of 2? The negative 3 plus 8, that would be positive 5 square roots of 2. Let's say I gave you negative 2 square roots of 7 minus 6 square roots of 7. Well, you've got a negative 2 and also a negative 6. Altogether, that's negative 8 square roots of 7. Now, all these examples, the radicals were already the same, so you just combined them. It is possible, however, that they give you two radicals that at first glance are not the same, but you can make them the same. So let's say I gave you 3 square roots of, hang on, I'm going to pause it a second. Okay, so I had to think of one real quick. Let's say they said add 3 square roots of 12 plus 5 square roots of 27. I cannot add square roots of 12s to square roots of 27s. But my square root of 12 can be broken down to be the square root of 4 times the square root of 3. The square root of 4 becomes a 2, which you would then multiply times the 3 that's in front of it. And I can't take the square root of 3, so I leave it, which means when I multiply this, I get 6 square roots of 3. So I started with 3 square roots of 12. This simplified to be 6 square roots of 3. Now I'm going to come over here to this 5 square roots of 27. 27 can be broken down to be the square root of 9 times the square root of 3. This square root of 9 is 3. And then when I multiply the 5 times the 3, I get 15. And then I just have to keep carrying down that square root of 3. And now at this point, 5 square roots of 27 has been simplified to 15 square roots of 3. And now I've got 6 square roots of 3 plus 15 square roots of 3. So altogether, that would be 21 square roots of 3. And that's how you would do that one, if they gave you one like that, where you had to simplify them.